I was in the process of kind of working on my VA disability, and some people at the guard base kind of referred me to Lisa with y'all's organization, and it kind of just took off from there. Lisa came in and said, now we're going to build you a new ramp, and the finished product is awesome. So much you hear about homeless veterans and stuff like that, and that's kind of disheartening, especially in today's climate where there's a lot of uncertainty. It's kind of nice to know that there is organizations there that are kind of helpful, and especially in times of need, you know, when people need to reach out to somebody, they don't know who to reach out to. And it's nice to know that there's organizations out there.